sorry, I did not see you there. Welcome for another English adventure with me, Linda, the best witch in the whole wide world. How are you today, kids? Are you doing well?
Yuck!
I'm glad to hear that you're doing well. Today, we will be learning another fun topic. Guess what? We will be learning animal action.
Yay!
Now we call our friend Sarah to help us through the episode today.
Yuck!
Well, I'm glad to hear that. So, let's say it with me. Abracadabra.
Hey kids, it's me, Sarah. I am so excited to see you all. Look, I am a zookeeper.
So, how are you today, Sarah?
I am excited.
Guess what?
What?
I am super excited as well. And I know you kids are excited too. So Sarah, what are we going to learn today?
Today, we will be learning Animal Action Episode 2.
Wow, I'm sure that the kids are super excited about it. So, let's do some English adventure!
Do you still remember what we have learned in the last episode?
Yuck!
Oh, well, we learned about action words throughout Animal Action. I believe you understand and remember all of the lessons that we have learned in the last episode.
However, in the second episode of Animal Action, we are going to do some simple words, simple phrases, and sentences. We will try together and understand it one by one.
Yes, kids, you guys are going to read together with me. We are going to learn about animals, action, animal sound, colors, and action words that we have learned in the last episode. Don't worry, we will help you.
So kids, are you ready for some adventure? Are you ready for some fun? Let's start our English adventure!
Guys, this is a storybook. We need to thank Linda for the storybook. Thank you, Linda.
No worries, children. Now, I would want to practice more of my magic. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, kids.
Oh my God, where did Linda go? Wow, she really is the best witch. Well, children, are you ready to read together with me?
Yuck!
All right, let's go. Let's learn some simple sentences together. Let's go. Cat. The cat is cute. It is my pet. Eat. The kid is eating. The kid is eating because he is hungry. See, it is easy, right? Just follow my lead. Sit. Grandmother is sitting on a chair. The chair is comfortable. Read. Ali likes to read. Reading is his hobby. Drink. We need to drink water. If you do not drink water, you will get thirsty. Now you have learned simple sentences. Easy peasy, right?
Yeah!
Now let's continue.
Oh, I'm really sorry for scaring you like that, but look what I've got. It is a cat and it is so cute. It has a very soft fur. Give it a try. It is cute, isn't it?
I guess.
Oh, I'm really sorry for interrupting the lesson, but let's continue. A cat. An orange cat. I see an orange cat. The cat has a soft fur. The cat is my pet.
The orange cat is my pet. The cat is a big, fat cat. I love my orange cat. My pet is a big, fat cat. My cat loves to eat fish and drink water.
My pet is a big orange cat. My cat likes to sit and sleep on my lap. My cat likes to sit and sleep.
My cat likes to sit on my lap
and sleep on my bed.
Meow everywhere it goes.
We love our cat.
Yay! Well done!
Kids, you answered it so well. Give a clap to yourself. So good.
Now it is time for
Questioning and answering time. Welcome to questions and the answering time.
Children, please look, listen and read carefully the questions before answering. Good luck! What are the pets you found in the above text? A. Dog. B. Hamster. C. Cat. That is right, kids! A cat. An orange cat. Well done! Let's continue.
What are the correct sentences based on the cat actions that you have read in the text? A. Is the cat sitting? B. The cat is flying. C. The cat is jumping. The cat is not flying. Do not be silly. The cat is not jumping too. So the only answer must be A. The cat is sitting. Yes, kid. You are very clever.
Which one is the correct sound made by the cat in the above text reading? A. The cat likes to make the sound of a quack quack. B. The cat likes to make the sound of a meow meow. Or C. The cat likes to make the sound of a moo moo. Of course it is meow meow. Well done, kids. You all had done such a great job.
Yay! Well done, kids. You did an absolutely good job. Now, we are going to read a simple story. This story is a combination of words, phrases and simple sentences. So, would you like to join us and read them? Let's go!
My pet. This is our story title for today. This story is owned by Sarah. Yup, you got it. It's my own story. Kids, can you guess what a pet is?
Yak!
You are right. It is about tame animals that we can keep together at our house. In this story, we are going to learn about animal names, colors, their sound, and also their actions. It's all about the lesson that we learned throughout English Adventure lesson till today. Are you ready, kids?
Yak!
Great! My pet cat. Adam has a pet. Is a cat. Cat has a name. Its name is Tompo. Tompo is an orange cat. Tompo is a male cat. Tompo is a fat cat. It was really fun when we get to understand the story throughout English Adventure. We have learned more new things, and I hope you keep doing revision. Give a clap for yourself.
Yay!
You have done such a great job, children. But before we end our today's lesson, I would like to know, did you like our today's lesson?
Yak!
Great! It's good to learn new things. Alright kids, it's time for me to pass to Linda. Bye-bye!
Thank you, Sarah. Alright, kids. How was your today's lesson with Sarah? I think you have learned so many new things from her, and I'm glad you did. Remember what Sarah said? Keep doing revision and you'll become clever. By the way, kid, look here. Look at my magic powerful wand. Look what I am doing now. I am showing a picture of a rain, a sun, and a wind. Can you guys guess what these are for? Well, I can't tell you. It's a secret. You'll have to wait and watch more of this English adventure. Until next time, kids. Bye!
Start your day with a smile on your face. Be happy, be jolly, be nice to everyone. Be happy, be jolly, be nice to everyone. Rise and shine, start your day with a smile on your face. Be happy, be jolly.